Okay, today we're going to be talking about the energy consumption between a variable speed and a single speed pump. I'm going to turn the pump on right now. It's going to get a little noisy. I'll speak up. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay, we got a 2 horsepower motor here. It's a 220 volt motor. Basically you can see it's at about 80 gallons a minute of water flow. The PSI gauge, which is on your filter, is going to be reading roughly at about 22 to 25 PSI. If you come over here, I'll show you the kilowatt meter, what this motor costs per day. I'm going to hook it up right now and we can see where we're at. Okay. As you can see, this thing's roughly about 2.1, 2.2 kilowatt hours. Okay? I'm going to disconnect it and I'll be able to speak to you a little bit more in detail. Basically what we've got with this motor, an energy company costs 25 cents for a kilowatt hour. That's basically like having a 2,000 watt bulb running for a full hour. Okay? This motor at 2.2 kilowatt hours is going to cost you roughly 55 cents an hour to run, or $440 a day, or $1,600 a year. Variable speed will save you a lot of money. Sean's going to talk about that. He can go into detail with that. Here's Sean.
Thanks, Rob. Appreciate it for the information on the single speed pump. We're going to talk about the variable speed pump. It's newer technology. This came out roughly 2007. This motor, the biggest changes were with the pump, or the actual motor itself. It runs off of permanent magnetic motors, same technology found in hybrid vehicles today, which proves for it to be substantially a lot more energy efficient. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison. I'm going to juice this pump to the same gallons per minute, 80 gallons per minute as the single speed pump was running before. The pressure gauge is going to show roughly about 15 PSI on the filter gauge, same as the single speed. We run this 8 hours a day with our kilowatt meter. I'll show you on our energy consumption meter. Come on down here and take a look at this. About 1.29, 1.25 for round numbers kilowatts per hour. That equates to roughly 31 cents per hour on a daily basis. That's $2.50 per hour as compared to the single speed that is costing well over $4 a day. To run this pump per year costs you roughly $913 for the entire year. Now we've stepped the pressure down and the flow down. We've cut the 80 gallons per minute in half to 40 gallons a minute. Our pressure is dropped, but we're going to extend that time frame from 8 hours a day to 16 hours a day, doubling it to make up for the lower GPM. Our energy consumption meter, we'll hook it up, see what kind of energy this pump is consuming at a lower pressure. It's approximately 0.39, 0.38 kilowatts per hour. That's 10 cents per hour, $1.52 per day if you run it for 16 hours a day. Now we're going to step it down even to the lowest setting. You can hear it's you can barely even hear it's running. The pumps went from 40 gallons a minute to 20 gallons a minute, but we're going to extend that time period from 16 hours and run it 24 hours a day around the clock. Virtually no pressure is exerted on your filter, which means more longevity of all your pool equipment. It's going to last longer, less stress on your filter grids, cartridge filters, and all your plumbing. Energy consumption, if we operate that at 24 hours per day, is about 0.2 kilowatts for round numbers. That's 5 cents an hour, guys. $1.20 a day to run this around the clock 24 hours a day. That's only $438 per year as compared to $1,600 or over $1,600 per year with a single speed pump. Energy consumption just kind of speaks for itself. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for viewing the video. Hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions for you. Or visit our website and you can find both these products online. Thank you so much.